You see, I don't want to be a friend who can make problem. Me I do no jobless. So record this. You know, see, can the moderate when Mitchie can come back to me? Can the moderate Mitchie afraid of me? Can me dig up her address, number, email, every blood clots, work, school, everything. Don't play with me. I know no matter things say. I just need a page alone to find you. Me don't need no more. Your IP is there, bitch. Go and Google what is an IP. So I don't need nothing to find you, bitch. I can find it easy. I study. Anything I want to do, me can do that. And me can be better than her. What thing she asks me? Go up on her page. Click on her page. What thing she asked me? She said, Destiny, can you find our address for me? I said, no. I can do it better, bitch. Better and bigger. Somebody want to live in an ivany closet? Ivany closet all. Number one, go up on YouTube and type in Ivany right abuse dog. In Jamaica and see what Ivany do to the dog. Ivany take before dog foot them and beat the blood clot dog. Beat the dog and jump and in her panty and jump in her dog lap. Go up on Google and see video. Type in Ivany abuse dog in Jamaica. Yeah. Go type in it now.